How many times have you decided to click on an article, or ignore it, just because of the headline? Headlines and leads are the first things readers see, and they can make or break a story. In today's lecture, we'll learn the art of crafting headlines and leads that grab attention, spark curiosity, and draw readers into the story. By the end of this lecture, you will understand the purpose of headlines and leads in journalism, learn techniques to create compelling, effective headlines and leads, explore the balance between creativity and accuracy in writing headlines, why headlines and leads matter. Headlines and leads serve as the gateway to your story. Headlines capture the reader's attention in a few words. They must be clear, engaging, and accurate. Example: wildfire forces thousands to flee homes in California. Leads: the first sentence or paragraph of the story. Leads summarize the most important points and set the tone. Example: a fast-moving wildfire tore through Northern California on Sunday, destroying homes and forcing thousands to evacuate. Why they matter. A strong headline grabs attention and encourages the reader to keep going. A compelling lead ensures they stay engaged and continue reading. Crafting headlines: keep it clear and concise. Headlines should be short and straightforward, avoiding unnecessary words. Example: elections results announced is clearer than the results of the election have been announced. Include keywords. Use terms that readers are likely searching for, especially in digital journalism. Add a hook, spark curiosity, or highlight the most dramatic aspect of the story. Example: how a tiny island nation is fighting climate change. Avoid clickbait. While it's tempting to exaggerate, ensure your headline accurately reflects the story. Use action words. Action words make headlines more dynamic. Example: police arrest suspect in bank robbery is stronger than suspect in bank robbery is arrested. Writing effective leads. Start with the essentials, answer the 5 W's and 1 H, who, what, when, where, why, how, in the lead. Example: the City Council approved a new budget on Monday, increasing funding for education by 20%. Types of leads. Straight news lead, presents the facts directly. Example: a 6.5 magnitude earthquake struck Japan today, leaving thousands without power. Anecdotal lead, starts with a story or personal account to draw readers in. Example: as the sun set over the village, Maria wondered if she would ever see her home again. Question lead, asks a question to pique curiosity. Example: can the city's new traffic laws really reduce congestion? Keep it short. A lead should be concise and to the point. Readers decide within seconds whether to continue reading. Make it active and vivid. Use active voice and descriptive language to create impact. Example: floodwaters swept through neighborhoods, leaving homes submerged and families stranded. Balancing creativity and accuracy. Creativity can make your headlines and leads stand out, but accuracy should never be sacrificed. Misleading headlines may attract clicks, but they damage trust and credibility. Always ensure your headline and lead reflect the story accurately.